acetylene, delta means heating. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. Acetylene gas is passing through red hot tube. What happened? B. Benzene. B is nothing but benzene. C6H6. Benzene. BNZene. Benzene. A. Acetylene. B. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. That means delta. Heating. What we are going to get? Acetylene. Acetylene. A to B. A is acetylene. B is benzene. B is benzene. Okay. Next. Benzene. How you are going to prepare benzene? Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. We get benzene. Another method is there to prepare benzene. What is that? Phenol. Phenol react with the zinc dust. Phenol react with the zinc dust. And distillation, we get benzene. Here there are methods to prepare benzene. One is acetylene. A means acetylene. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. We get benzene. That is one method. Another method is phenol. What is this? Phenol. Phenol react with the zinc dust. Phenol react with the zinc dust. Under distillation, we get benzene. Phenol react with the zinc dust. We get benzene. Another one. Sodium benzoate. What is this? Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate treated with soda lime. A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. What is soda lime? A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is called soda lime. Benzene. So here your chemistry sir is going to discuss how to prepare benzene. One is acetylene. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. We get benzene. Phenol react with the zinc dust. We get benzene. Sodium benzoate react with the soda lime. We get benzene. Okay. So three methods, kindly keep it in mind. Three methods are used to prepare benzene. Most important one. Let me repeat once again. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. We get benzene. Phenol react with the zinc dust. We get benzene. Sodium benzoate react with soda lime. A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is called soda lime. We get benzene. Okay. Now B is nothing but benzene. You know very well the structure of benzene. You know very well benzene. So B is benzene. Benzene react with H2SO4. Benzene react with H2SO4. Here G, benzene sulfuric acid. G is nothing but benzene sulfuric acid. Benzene SO3H. Benzene sulfuric acid. Benzene B, react with H2SO4. We get benzene sulfuric acid. Next, benzene. B ante benzene. Benzene react with the methyl chloride and anhydrous AlCl3. We get the most important one. Challenge question. Toluene. Benzene react with the methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We get toluene. Or you can say methyl benzene, or you can say toluene, toluene, or benzene has methyl group. So I can say methyl benzene, methyl benzene, methyl benzene. Next, this reaction is nothing but Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This reaction is nothing but Friedel-Crafts, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this question 100% guarantee question. How you convert benzene to toluene? How you convert benzene to methyl benzene? How you convert benzene to methyl benzene? Or they may pose how you convert benzene to toluene or methyl benzene, or what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation? What is Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Both are same. Next, benzene react with acetyl chloride. Here CH3Cl, here CH3CO here. Same. Anhydrous AlCl3. We get here D is acetophenone. This is nothing but acetophenone. Here methyl group takes place. Here COCH3. This is nothing but acetophenone. Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is nothing but alkylation. This is nothing but acylation. Acetophenone. Benzene B nothing but benzene react with the acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We get the acetophenone. The another one is benzene. B is nothing but benzene. Benzene react with the HNO3, H2SO4. Con HNO3, con H2SO4. No doubt C is nothing but nitrobenzene. The most important one, nitrobenzene. Benzene ring contains NO2 group, then it is called nitrobenzene. Benzene react with con HNO3, con HNO3 and con H2SO4. Con HNO3, con H2SO4. Less than 60 temperature, less than 60 degrees temperature, less than 60. Mixture of con HNO3 and con H2SO4. That mixture is called nitration mixture. When benzene react with con HNO3, con H2SO4, we get nitrobenzene. The last one is benzene chlorine. In presence of FeCl3, we get chlorobenzene. Here F is chlorobenzene. Benzene ring contains chlorine group, that is chlorobenzene. Benzene ring contains NO2 group, nitrobenzene. Benzene group contains COCH3, acetophenone. Benzene group contains CH3, methyl benzene. Benzene contains SO3H, benzene sulfonic acid. I think you are clear. The next one, A, what I am saying, A is nothing but acetylene. So how you prepare acetylene? Iodoform, CH3, iodoform react with silver, we get the acetylene. Iodoform react with silver, we get the acetylene. Iodoform, CH3, iodoform react with silver, we get the acetylene. Acetylene means C2H2. When acetylene react with water, when is the most important one, 2 marks question or properties. Acetylene react with water in presence of mercuric sulfate and hydrolysis, we get acetaldehyde. H is nothing but acetaldehyde. So this is the complete picture your chemistry has done. This is nothing but flow chart. Let me repeat once again. Be ready. Calcium carbide react with water, we get the acetylene. Acetylene. C2H2, acetylene passing to red hot to delta, benzene, benzene, C6H6, or this one, or you can write like this, benzene. Okay, benzene. How you prepare benzene? Phenol react with the zinc dust, we get the benzene. Acetylene passing through red hot tube, we get benzene. Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate react with soda lime, we get benzene. Okay. Benzene react with H2SO4. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene react with methyl chloride. Anhydrous AlCl3. Toluene. Most important challenge question. Benzene to methyl benzene. Benzene to toluene or Freund-Craft alkyl reaction. This is nothing but toluene. Benzene react with acetyl chloride. CH3COCl. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we get acetophenol. Benzene contains COCH3. Benzene react with nitration mixture. What is nitration mixture? HNO3. Con HNO3, con H2SO4. 1:1. What is nitration mixture? A mixture of con HNO3 and con H2SO4. We get nitrobenzene. Benzene react with chlorine. In presence of FeCl3, we get chlorobenzene. So, last one, acetylene. How you prepare acetylene? Iodoform. CHI3 react with silver metal. We get acetylene. Acetylene. Acetylene react with water in presence of mercuric sulfate. Mercuric sulfate in hydrolysis, we get acetaldehyde. CH3CH. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.